Interview question for Mark Sonderberg. What is your middle name? My middle name is Elliot. When is your birthday? My birthday is in May. Where are you from? I am America. Where do you country live? I live in Palo Alto, California. What is your profession? I am businessman. Businessman. How old are you? I am 29 years old. What is your father's name? My father's name is Edward. My wife's name is Priscilla. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is vegetable. How do you like to spend your time? I like spending my time in a computer.